road पड़े हाँ. This road is the only road going up to the with the garbage on top. So all the truck, all the wet, leached or wet garbage जो तरी हाँ इलिशी liquid हाँ, it falls everything सकाळ पडत होईता. So every year we have this problem of all the water which is there of coming down and going on the road and people falling on the road. Now this area, don't forget, is in Margaon constituency, or rather Patarda and Margaon constituency, but not in Gurtani constituency. Last time there was big noise about people from Kurtoni coming, they calling themselves so-called leaders, saying that I am responsible for all this. I don't want to name them, but it was me who took up the issue with municipality for the last 6 months to put up one trap here. So municipality put up one trap here. Still after putting one trap here, the water is still coming down. So I got one trap myself done, and I told them, you just construct, I will give you a trap and put another trap here. So whatever water that will be coming here will be going inside this drain, and whatever, let us suppose something comes up, because what happens, this is a climb. The moment there is a climb, the truck tends to bend like this, and the wet garbage falls on the road. We are trying our best, but I just want to say that coming and criticizing me doesn't help. This is not part of my constituency also. This is entire responsibility of Margaon municipality as well as part of Fatarda. Because our garbage is not coming here. It is Margaon and Fatarda garbage that is coming here. I don't know whether those fellows who were shouting on rooftops here, saying that I am responsible, is want to contest in Fatarda instead of Kurtoni. They think this is in Kurtoni. So I am reminding this is but in spite of that, because my people who are here are falling down, I have taken responsibility myself. I took upon the responsibility, and along with my people here, and I said we will construct a drain here. This was for the last 6 months. I am after them. I have now done another one. So this time I hope it doesn't go. I have still told the municipality, put some mud from here to here, so that even if something overlaps, doesn't go right after. Plus we are going to put one small speed breaker here, because I have personally watched while going up, still it comes. This is a too, these holes are too small. So it somehow comes up to here. So we have put another one. Let's hope this time we don't have this issue. Yes. There has been a problem. Not leached, it's waste, wet waste, which is in the truck. Sometimes it comes, because what happens? This is a slope. A slopache zatach. Can't help it. These are genuine problems. Or we have to divert this road and we have to take the road somewhere that side.
When you say that this falls under Margaon, so Margaon is a responsibility because
No. See, take it that tank lagna tank. Tangiel lok asna, amge lok ita. Tangiel lok Margaon's looking hai na. So am ke tras jata. But amge lok pata na responsibility.
हे आता काम केला ते कोणी तुम्ही केला तुमच्या पैशाने
ना हे म्युनिसिपालिटीन केला
ओके
तेही म्युनिसिपालिटीन केला बट ते हे हांय दिला
वयल्यान कवर
होय ते हांय दिला कित्याक जाती तूं बेगीन जाय न्ही कित्याक पास पडपाचो आहा 2 दीस आनी 2 दिसांनी पास पडटलो हांव फर्स्ट ट्रेन जाश्टी पडली आय वॉज मॉनिटरींग काल पास पडत मग काल येयला आनी मॉनिटर केलां कित्याक इन केस तर पास पडलो काल तेसा राती डायवर्ट केला ते रोडान वयतले ताका लागून काल इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलें म्युनिसिपालिटी बाबा उगडी माती घाल्या तें जाल्या राती कडेन सो वी आर फॉलोइंग
problem
होय सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार हें कट करता आनी एक बुराक वाडयता हो एक बुराक वाडयत रावता दॅट इज ओन्ली ऑप्शन हो हिंग हाडपा मेळना जाल्यार तेजी वचपाना बट हो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक जाय जाल्यार दिस टायम एडिशनल हें ब्रेक करता what work and how much work is done. Next week I am having a review of the police station. So every 1 month, almost 15-20 days I have review. तर एक इश्यूज आसताय लायक प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर इज एन इश्यू ऑफ डेमोलिशन ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ब्लॉक तो जालना ताका मंडे अल्टिमेटम दिला आनी सगळें फावंडेशन कंप्लीट कर म्हणल्यार बिकॉज ऑफ रेनी सिजन आनी फर्स्ट स्लॅब तो म्हाका एंड ऑफ द मंथ देखून दितली तर तो स्लॅब मारलो काय ना काम जातलें आमगे टार्गेट आहा एटलिस्ट बाय 2025 एंड पासून काम कंप्लीट करपाक
प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर.
प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर पुलीस स्टेशन अजून देखून टोटल रिव्यू मेळना म्हाका बट वी आर वर्किंग ऑन ऑल दोज थिंग्स
What will be the cost of the total cost is
No,
coming?
total
Primary
cost is
health
around,
center.
I think 20-25 कितें आहा दिसता. Then the GSIDC taken by GSIDC.
Any bedded beds आसता ना?
Yeah, it's a full-fledged. It is done. It is done with the specifications of the health department. Health department issues its requirements, and GSIDC plans it. All requirements of the size of room, everything is done by this fellow, by GSIDC. But requirements, health department.
Additional तुम्ही किती मागला?
Additional, I forgot Magla dialysis unit. एक OT, I was asking for OT, but then practically OT is not possible because OT गेलेले त्यांक आणि there are a lot of anesthesists there आणि कितें. So OT, I would prefer that OT concentrate केल्यार district hospital नुदी बरी. So we will have a small OT, बारीक आणि gynecology possible with a small OT आणि काय
न्यू बिल्डिंग ही फुल नवीन
टोटल विथ अ हेरिटेज व्यू त्यांनी पयलीं ग्लास क्लॅडीड केल्लें सो दॅट वी हॅव सेड वी डोंट वॉन्ट ग्लास क्लॅडीड वी वॉन्ट द हेरिटेज व्यू इवन द पुलीस स्टेशन दे हॅड सेड बरो ग्लासा केल्लो मॉडर्न स्ट्रक्चर केल्लो तो हांवें चेंज केला आनी म्हणलें मातशें आमकां टोल द आर्किटेक्ट गिव मी हेरिटेज व्यू सो कुर्दोरी बींग अ विलेज
कितले पेशंट थंय रावपाक शकता जर एडमीट करचे पडले आनी
20 bedded hospital. 20 bedded.
20.
Not sure, but better is better. But all specifications are given by health department. PHC Tengelo, yes, specification Lagota. PHC given by health department.
दोतोर 24 वरां आसतले
Yeah. Primary health center. पण कितें जालां आमगे सारको बंद जालो तो. Totally. Yeah.
तो मोडून न्यू
Entire. Full-fledged.
Presently, what services are at present?
प्रेझेंटली पेशंट केअर करता बारीक व्हडलें कांय ना तें म्हणजे टर्शरी केअर लायक स्मॉल कट स्मॉल वुंड्स स्मॉल मायनर सर्जरीज स्मॉल मायनर थिंग्स आय थिंक दे डू बियॉन्ड दॅट नॉट नथिंग इज पॉसिबल लायक वॅक्सिनेशन्स डायबिटीज हायपरटेन्शन ऑल दोज थिंग्स बाकी आनी कांय जायना
ओके थँक्यू
मागीर मुखार डायलिसीस आनी तें आनी मुखार आनी एड ऑन करपाक तेका लायक
थँक्यू
सकाळीच जालें जाल्यार इट शूड बी ओके आनी इनफाट जेवता ते मुखार आनी थिंग ब्लॉक जाता येस
सो तुका दिसता हांगा आतां कंट्रोल जातलें म्हणून स्लिपरी जावची ना पावसान
सी वी हॅव डन आवर बेस्ट स्पीड ब्रेकर देखून घाता मुगे 100% गॅरंटी आहा दॅट आय वील बी एबल टू कटेल तेश करून इलेक्शन जेवण वयतलें तें प्रोटेक्ट करूंक पडटलें कितें जाता ट्रक सोडटा आसतना कितें जाता यू कांट स्टॉप इट इट इज अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस हो आमकां आनी द बेस्ट सोल्युशन इज आमी रोड डायवर्ट करूंक पडटा आनी आमची चान्स ना